Welcome to the New Writers Toolbox Learning Journey, a series of modules designed to guide your students developmentally through a full year of tuition in language and writing skills. Let's dive in. On your Writers Toolbox homepage, head to the blue Learning Journey icon here. The first thing you'll see is a Learning Journey map, which is based on the year level of your class. From fairy tales and fun characters for younger learners, all the way up to edgier tech-noir cityscapes for older learners. The Learning Journey map is split into 10 stages that students progress through over the year. Click into a stage to see the learning modules inside. Importantly, all students set at the same year level will see the same Learning Journey map. But when you set students to different writing ability levels, they will see learning modules suited to them. Each module is structured the same way. There's some text explaining the writing skill, a supporting video, and a quiz checking what students have learned. Then there are against the clock interactive activities. And finally, a story challenge for reading or listening to that exemplifies the writing skill with a comprehension quiz and a writing skill quiz. All student progress is tracked. Inside a module, students can see their progress in each activity here. Student progress is important because students need to get at least 80% in every activity in every module to unlock the next stage in the learning journey. For a detailed module overview, students can go back to the module list page by using the back arrow button, and then click Results. If at any time you need to go back to the teacher homepage, use the Home icon. So there you have it, the New Writers Toolbox Learning Journey. Your students are going to love it.